Okay, so let's take a look at how you can install Expo on Windows. So what we are going to do is, first we are going to check whether we have Node installed. So we are going to type in node --version. Okay, we will also check the npm version by typing in npm --version. Okay, so everything looks up to date. So at the time of making this, I had this version 14.4.0. okay, and next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure to install this Expo command line interface globally. If you want, you can also make use of yarn. Okay, so for yarn you have to type in yarn --version. Okay, here you can see version 1.22.4. okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to move to this files directory. I'm going to create one directory. Let's name this demo exp. Now let's move to that directory. Now what we're going to do is we're going to use yarn global add expo-cli. Okay, that should install this expo-cli package globally. Okay, so we will wait for yarn to finish installing that package. Okay, so it takes around 10 or 15 minutes to install entire package. Depending on an internet connection, it may take around 10 to 20 minutes. Next thing, open another command prompt. Let's see if I want to move to this directory. So let's say okay, now here what I'm going to do, I'm going to check if I can use expo-cli. So type in expo, type in init space my app, hit enter. Okay, it should create the project files in my app directory. So what we're going to do is we are going to wait for it to create that directory, then we will start server within that directory. Okay, so it will ask you the option to choose workflow. So minimal app, keep it blank. Okay, keep on answering rest of the installer questions. Okay, if you choose any other template, the download required for that will increase. So go with the minimal or basic. So expo template blank is good to start with. Okay, once the process finishes, you will get a message that looks something like this. It will say your project is ready. To run your project, go to the directory and run following commands. So you can use yarn start over there. Okay, so what we'll do is we will cd to my app. Now here what we can do, we can use yarn start, right? Or you can use yarn Android or yarn web or iOS, right? So considering I don't have any device attached, I will just type in yarn start. Okay, that should also start this expo start command. and it should open our project in this particular directory, my app. So we'll wait how that progress goes. Okay, now here you can see Expo DevTools is running on localhost 19002, and it will also point you to the shortcut that should disable this DevTools. Okay, so we'll wait for next message. Okay, as you can see, Expo DevTools automatically opened in one of the tab in Chrome. Now here you can see on the left hand side you have Metro Bundle sidebar, okay, and below you can see this QR code. Now what you have to do is you have to open your mobile phone, install this Expo app, and make sure to scan this QR code so that it will sync with your phone. Make sure to allow permissions. Okay, and rest of the update should be visible on your mobile phone. Okay, and here you can see it will also tell you that this bundler has option for publish or republish project. You can send link with email to someone so they can view it. You can also run this in web browser or on Android or iOS. Okay, and when you open this app you will find one image within that app which will be visible. Okay, so if you manage to run that on your Android phone, then you can confirm that Expo is installed. Alternatively, you can also run in web browser and click on that, and it should pop a message attempting to open project in web browser. Okay, if you can see all this process working, then you can confirm that Expo is installed on Windows.